So look, here I am. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it no more. I had to get up out that house, honey. I just had to take my chances, tracking it in that snow, and praying not to bust my ass. This is what it gotta be. So I went ahead and walked down to New York Avenue Station, or well, what y'all know as Noma Gallaudet. The trains was running pretty frequently, especially for that train station since it's outside. The trains was coming pretty quickly. From Noma, I got quite a ride, at least 15 to 20 minutes of a ride on the train that I had to do. So, I had to have my music. Got to have music on that route. So, made it to Tentleytown. Got off the train there and headed on up the escalators. I exited the Target side of Tentleytown, which I should have went over there to Wawa and got my drink, my mango drink, but it's cold as hell, so we're going to leave that for another time. But there go my husband. Hey, boo. We're going to walk down to the Mecca D's. Man, I swear, we had to jump over these mountains and hills of ice. They just ain't doing a good shoveling job, I guess, huh? I went over to the kiosk and placed my order. Yes, I got a quarter-pounder meal with a 6-piece. Yes, I eats good. Thank you. Had the hot honey sauce, some new sauce. It was good, too. Tentleytown McDonald's going to hit every time. Bye.